year we lose 22 million school days just because of common cold. So, keeping hands clean is one of the most important steps for fighting with common cold and flu. Hello everyone. Today we the students of St. Bede's College of BSc Second Year Medical are going to present a short video on the topic Global Hand Washing Day. I hope you will like the content and also like the video. Wait. Let's have some look how sophisticated we are.
क्या कर रही है यार तू? तेरे को पता नहीं है क्या कि फ़ोन पे कितने ज़्यादा जर्म्स होते हैं और ये हर टाइम हमारे हाथ में रहता है और तू खाते टाइम भी इसको नहीं छोड़ रही है।
यार एक तो फोन में भी जहाँ देखो वहाँ पे कोरोना ही छाया होता है, ऊपर से तुम्हें को खाना भी नहीं खाने दे रही है। मतलब तू चाहती क्या है मुझसे?
देखा हाथ धोए तूने?
नहीं।
तो ये कौन सा भागे जा रहा था? कितना टाइम लगता है हाथ धोने में?
अरे यार मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले किया था सैनिटाइज।
तब भी तेरे को करना तो चाहिए ना यार मेघा। और खाने को जो दिया हुआ है ऊपर से इस लड़की ने, पागल।
एक तो ये लड़की ना मेरा दिमाग खराब कर रही है, बार बार क्यों बोले जा रही है तो हाथ दो। दिन में 10 बार हाथ धोने पड़ते हैं। उफ, एक तो बीमारी होगी कि नहीं ये तो मुझे नहीं पता, बट हाथ धो के मेरी लकीरें जरूर मिट रही हैं। और एक तो खर्चे भी इतने बढ़ रहे हैं, ऊपर से मतलब सैनिटाइज़र का खर्चा, हैंड वॉश का खर्चा, ऊपर से तो लोशन का खर्चा मतलब डबल हो गया है। समझ मेले नहीं है यार मेरी ज़िंदगी में जो तू एक और ऐड कर दी है।
ऐसा है ना बेटा, तेरे को समझाने से तो अच्छा है कि मैं दीवार पे अपना सिर पटक लूँ। अब क्या हो गया?
यार बहुत कोल्ड हो गया है, ऊपर से खांसी और मुझे फीवर भी लग रहा है।
जब मैंने तेरे को बोला था कि हैंड सैनिटाइज कर ले, हैंड वॉश कर ले, अपना ध्यान रख, तब तो तू मान नहीं रही थी। तब तेरी हाथ की लकीरें मिट रही थी हाथ धो के बाद। ड्रामेबाज। अब होगी ना बीमार, चल अब डॉक्टर के पास चलते हैं। पागल इंसान।
2020 Global Hand Washing Day theme is Hand Hygiene for All. This year's theme is followed by hand hygiene, especially hand washing with soap. So the aims for hand washing are to promote and support the culture of hand washing all over the society, shine a spotlight on the state of hand washing in each country, spread the information of hand washing with soap. Now the importance of hand washing. Hand washing is one of the most important technique to remove the germs or microorganisms from our hands, which in turn will help in the reduction of potential transmission of microorganism directly to others or the surface where they can be easily spread.
The time you spend at the sink could save your trips to the doctor office. Why doctor prescribe each one of us to wash your hands regularly and properly? Because good hand washing is the first line of defense against many diseases, from common cold to the more serious disease. Hand washing is the best way to stop spreading the germs. Think about all the things you touched today, from your mobile phones to the contaminated surface. Whatever you did today, you came in a contact with the germs. It's easy for the germs on your hand to end up in your mouth. Now let us discuss what is the best time to wash your hands. Before and after having your meal, after using the washrooms, and after touching your pets, after coughing and sneezing. In last, I would like to conclude that don't underestimate the power of hand washing. If you wash your hands regularly and properly, you will remain disease-free for your entire life.
Hello everyone, now I will show you the different steps of hand washing.
Step 1. Wet your hands. Step 2. Use enough soap or hand wash to cover both hands entirely. Step 3. Rub your hands palm to palm. Step 4. Put one palm on the top of your other hand, interlace your fingers and rub. Repeat with other hand. Step 5. Put your palms together and interlace your fingers and rub. Step 6. Rub the back of your fingers together with your hands in a fist. Step 7. Make a fist around your thumb and rub rotationally. Repeat on the other hand. Step 8. Clasp your finger together and drop them in a circle in the palm of your other hand. Make sure to do this on the other hand. Step 9. Rinse your hands with water. Step 10. If you are at home, dry your hands with a clean towel. And if you are in public, remember to open the top with a single-use towel. Throw it away. Dry your hands with a new single-use towel. Close the top with it and then throw it away.
And remember, we have to wash our hands for at least 20 seconds to make sure we get rid of all the germs.
Hand sanitizers provide a convenient and effective way to clean your hands if your soap and water are not available and your hands are not covered with visible dirt or grease. According to 2019 ruling by FDA, that is Food and Drug Administration, a product can be marked as a hand sanitizer if it contains ethyl alcohol, that is known as ethanol, and isopropyl alcohol, that is also known as isopropanol, as an active ingredient. Alcohol is the key ingredient of most of the hand sanitizers as it breaks open the outer layer of germs like bacteria or viruses. The sanitizer with an alcohol concentration between 60 to 95% are more effective at killing germs. Alcohol destroys disease-causing agents or pathogens by breaking apart proteins, splitting cells into pieces, or messing with cell metabolism. Alcohol rub sanitizers kill most of the bacteria and stop some viruses. 70% alcohol content in sanitizer kill 99% of bacteria on hands 30 seconds after application. Now Rachel will tell you how to apply sanitizer on your hands.
Hello everyone, now we'll show you how to use hand sanitizer. Apply enough sanitizer to cover both hands. Step 1. Rub your hand palm to palm. Step 2. Use the palm of each hand to rub the back of other hand, interlacing finger. Repeat with other hand. Step 3. Rub hand palm to palm, finger interlaced. Step 4. Rub the back of finger in opposing palm, finger interlock. Step 5. Rub each thumb in the palm of other hand in a rotational direction. Step 6. Clasp your finger together and rub in the circle in the palm of other hand. Make sure you do this on the other hand. Once try, you are done.